Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the ultimate, most amazing chocolate chunk cookies recipe. So, now let's get into the ingredients. Here we have 1 cup of flour. We have half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder. Here you have half a cup of brown sugar. And here we also have a half a cup of white sugar. We have some chocolate chips. I'm using half a cup, but you guys can add as many chocolate chips as you want. It all depends on how chocolatey you want it to be. Here I have 1 egg. I have 4 ounces of milk, and here I have my melted butter, half cup. And here I have my vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Now let's get into making it. So of course we need a bowl and any kind of utensils that help make it easier to make. So let's add some of the powder, the first flour. There we go. Now let's add some salt. Now let's add some baking powder and soda. So now that we've added that, let's now put some brown sugar in here, like that. Put some sugar in there, and put this aside there. Now let's add some eggs, like this. And now it's eggs, and now we're gonna mix. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some butter and milk. So let's put this aside so we'll get in the way. Get some butter. Like this. Now let's add some milk. First I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some milk. While I mix, put that down there. You wanna add it as you go. Add some more. And mix. So now let's add the rest of the milk. There we go, and mix. This already looks good. I can already smell the smell of how it's gonna taste, how it's gonna smell. Okay, so now let's add some vanilla extract. So we're gonna add some of the extract. Okay, so I'm gonna put the vanilla extract in. There we go. I'm gonna put this aside and we're gonna mix. So it's becoming really creamy. Now let's add some chocolate chips, my favorite part. Oof, I can already see it forming. Okay, so here where I have my parchment paper on my baking tray, And now we're going to be putting the chocolate chip cookies dough onto it. So let's do this. I'm going to grab a scoop of it like this. And put it down like that. Easy peasy. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in the oven, and I will let you guys know once we are done with this. Now it's time to put this in the oven. So you guys have to put it on 3. It has to be in the oven about 10 to 12 minutes. I suggest you go check one after 9 minutes. And the temperature it has to be on 350 Fahrenheit. So now let's get this into the oven.